Hi guys, and welcome back to Creations with Tanya. Today I'm gonna try an acrylic pour and hopefully try a sort of watercolor effect with the following paints, which are down below. I decided against using the Atelier, but I used everything else. So I have the Liquitex Turquoise Deep, I have this little piggy lily pad, TLP Enchantment, TLP Ore, and TLP Lagoon. For my cell activator, I use Amsterdam Titanium White. And for my pillow base, I use Glidden Premium White Base. I'm pouring out my pillow base right now, and once I get enough on my canvas, I'm going to give it a stretch, make sure there's no little goopy things in the paint, because that can really ruin your paint when you're going to tilt it. It'll make weird sort of designs, unless of course you want that. Okay, I think I got all the gloobies out. So now I'm putting on a lot of the Turquoise Deep by Liquitex, and it's so pretty. Next, I'm going to use Lagoon, TLP. Then I'm going to put on Ore, this little piggy, TLP. TLP Lily Pad, and TLP Enchantment. Now I'm just going to put on my titanium white cell activator by Amsterdam. Now I'm getting my hair dryer and blowing over the cell activator. Now make sure it's on high and cool. Don't do hot. Just letting it sit for a bit, because after blowing I find it sort of sticks in the middle. So then I'll pick it up, see if it'll move easily on the canvas, and if that's the case, I'll give it a spin. So I really love this design. The only thing I noticed was that my right corner, upper corner, didn't have the pillow paint. So then I decided, well, I'm going to move it down that way. And what I should have done is just put on some more pillow paint in that corner, because I find then it stretched out the rest of the effect, I think, too much. But I guess someone might like it. I do really like the turquoise deep, the little outline it sort of did on the petals or whatever it is. It really gave it definition. I like that. Saw another piece of bloop, so I got rid of it. So there it is. I'm just gonna let it sit, and I will show you a dried result, and it may change a little, so we'll see. And here are the dried results. It pretty much stayed the same. I think maybe the white in the center disappeared more, but other than that, that's it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I think my cell activator might be still a little too liquidy, and I might try and add a little bit more Amsterdam titanium to maybe get more defined cells. This little piggy pigments really give a nice shimmer to the whole painting. It's just beautiful. I can't seem to get the right angle to show it to you,